Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2006 Ford F-350 Lariat Super Duty dually. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let's take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. I'm going to get both angles for you as well on this vehicle so you can see condition for yourself without a doubt. It's a big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. As you can see, it does have the running boards, the tow mirrors, tinted windows all the way around. Not just back tinted windows, all the way around. The rain guards. Obviously, it is a dually. Let's get down here on tire size. Condition of the tires. This is a U.S. truck, and I'll show you inside the door jamb on the VIN number. You can always tell there. If it's Canadian, it'll have the Canadian flag on it. It has a backup camera. Backup sensors, excuse me. Then here we got for the bedliner, tow hitch back there. There are no dents, no huge dings, no major scratches. This is in great shape. This really is. It's in great shape. Can see. Alright, let's get to the inside here in just a second. See fog lights. Not sure if it has a sunroof, we'll see here in just a second. It is a Lariat, so let's get to the inside condition and features. Looks like no sunroof. Power windows, power locks, power seat. Let's get to the condition of the leather. Don't see any rips, tears, or stains. The passenger side here, as you can see, there are captain's chairs. Let's get the back seat here for you. Should probably unlock it first, huh? Alright. Looks like a rear power slider there. Let's get to the front features here. Pedal adjuster. Excuse me. Steering wheel controls. Stock stereo. Four-wheel drive. The parking sensors. Factory tow assist. Alright, let's pop the hood before we turn it over. The tow mirrors are heated as well. Hopefully I can navigate this with one hand here. Bear with me. Had to use two. Sorry about that. Alright folks, now I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I do like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few, so you know what you're looking for. So I just want to get it in here the best I can. Now all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage you to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do stand behind our product and our client, and that includes after the sale, and that's huge. There's the mileage there, very low miles for the year. Just over 100,000. As you can see, no check engine lights. Stereo works fantastic. AC blows cold. The heat works great. Let me turn on the lights. The marker lights there. Lights in the mirror. Oh, let's let you hear it run here. You hear it humming along beautifully. Diesel for you. Hopefully that helped answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do to help, I am happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.